Welcome to our 5th annual tree lighting event. We're so happy that you're here tonight. This event has grown every year because of you, our students, our families, and our community. It's a night full of music, joy, and the holiday spirit that makes La Joya ISD such a special place. Let's get started.
So tonight we're here at La Joya ISD celebrating the 5th annual tree lighting ceremony with our community. There are so many people here tonight, together, unified, celebrating the holiday season with La Joya ISD. And we've got gifts, we've got hot chocolate, we've got cookies, we've got books, we've got our bands, we've got performances, everything to set us up for an incredible holiday season.
This celebration has grown year after year, and tonight's turnout shows just how strong and joyful our community truly is. Seeing our family, staff, and children gathered together reminds us all why this work matters so much.
So tonight, we had new surprises at our 5th annual celebration. We had snow. There was snow in La Joya ISD. And we had a fireworks celebration. We have incredible bands playing. We have incredible performances from many of our campuses. We are just out having a great night together, celebrating all that our district has to offer while it's snowing.
And I'm gonna need a lot of help from our community to do a countdown for us. We're gonna count down from 5 to 1 so we can light up our beautiful tree. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So important for us to have events like this to bring families and schools together because it's beyond just school buildings. It's about bringing community together to celebrate the biggest events in our lives.
This just is a bridge between the district and our community, a bridge between our parents and the district. It's a way that we show love. It's a way that we show unity. And it's a way that we demonstrate exactly who we are as La Joya ISD.
All I have to say is that this is one of the greatest traditions that we have here in La Joya. It was so nice coming up here to help and volunteer. Being a part of this community is truly one of the greatest things of my life. Everybody comes together and it's just such a great feeling. Thank you so much, La Joya ISD. You guys are the greatest.
So it's great that La Joya ISD put an event like this up for the kids. We've seen all the kids real happy running around. My nieces and nephews are real happy running around, and it just makes us happy.
Thank you to every single person who made this possible. Thank you to our board members for coming out to support our district. Everyone means so much to me personally. Events like this, nights like this, take a team, and I am just grateful.